transforming the data into a format which is an open format or a more accessible format. Crowdsource that, look at the open source community to help with that. So that was one message. Library catalog data was one that came up in terms of, somebody said, wouldn't it be great if we could just get all the catalog data and repurpose it and build our own ways of presenting that information. So that was one that came up. It's done.
Yes, okay.
Those librarians are good. Next.
What's the URL?
207-183-181.
That comes down.
See each other after class.
All right. We had somebody from SFU at our table who was looking to use some of the data potentially for project work for students, and that could be a great resource in terms of coming up with new applications. There was some discussion about the fact that the geographic-based data should be using GML as a standard. Somebody was suggested getting data from traffic signals and traffic-related data in terms of the queues and left turn lanes and things like that, and thought that there could be some interesting applications that could be built based on that. What we got here?
Soon the planners are going to say we're doing their jobs for them.
Co-creating the citizens.
311 data in terms of calls that people make to 311, both having that available as output, but also having that ability to create applications that could provide input to 311. So I'm standing on this broken, on top of this pothole, and I have an application which says it knows where I am, and so therefore immediately can pass that information into the city, and then through the output you could track, where the potholes being fixed in the city and what neighborhoods are getting more potholes fixed than others potentially. Garbage zones was one that was, which I think probably could come with VanMap data in terms of, knowing, perhaps creating applications that could email you the day before your garbage is getting picked up so you don't forget. The thought of even maybe geo-tracking garbage trucks so you can know how many minutes you have to get out there with your garbage.
7:56.
Community center schedules. So in terms of where in the city can I take this particular course, and what community centers are offering it. Quite a few ideas. Looking at just in general creating applications which can take your location and say what's near me. So I'm here, either I'm at this address or I'm here based on some GPS data. Where's my nearest community center? Where's my nearest library? What zoning district am I in? What day is my garbage getting picked up? All that kind of stuff. There was an idea about our animal control being able to perhaps do a feed of dogs or animals as they're picked up in different neighborhoods, where they were picked up, and so that if you lost your dog, you could be subscribed to a feed that you could use to find out if your dog been picked up, rather than phoning the dog pound every 3 hours saying, "Have you got my dog?" And crime statistics was one that was brought up, and information about sort of road closures and road construction being made available so that people can incorporate that into applications to know when their usual route of travel is being disrupted. And did I miss anything?
Pollution, environmental kind of.
Oh, right, yeah. Anything related to census type information, the city data that the city might have, making that available.
Housing crisis.
Housing crisis. So.
Even probably not the city.
Yeah, it's not directly the city.